Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard the Terror Tram. We're going to be heading out in just a moment. If you have any very small children with you, say their feet can't touch the floor and you're sitting at the very edge, now would be a good time to move them to the center of your row. We're not going to be on this vehicle for very long, but while we are, remain seated the entire time, keeping your hands and feet inside the vehicle. If you have any emergencies while we're out there, reach up, pull that red cord running down the center of the tram ceiling. I'll be back to assist just as soon as it's safe to do so. So you're joining us for a very special night. It's Purge Night, where all crime is legal for the next 12 hours, including murder. But don't worry, we got a very special surprise for you out on the back lot. We have a purge-free zone exclusive to our guests where you can celebrate the purge without being in any danger whatsoever. Here to tell you a little more about our purge-free zone is our party planner, Jill St. Stevens.
Thank you for that fabulous introduction. Hello everyone, my name is Jill St. Stevens, and it's my pleasure to welcome you to Universal's first annual Purge Party. You know, Universal Studios has long been a proud supporter of the Purge and our new founding fathers. Oh, I see some of you brought your children today. Fabulous. You're going to enjoy tonight. We have fabulous food, games, arts and crafts, and patriotic sing-alongs planned for you. Sounds a lot better than being locked up in the house all night with Mom and Dad, doesn't it? Fabulous. Now, before we begin, our tour guide, can you give me your current location?
Yes, party planner, we're heading out right now.
Fabulous. They're on their way. Oh, and one more thing. I hope they slaughter each and every last one of you. They're all yours. Fabulous. You've got to get these people out of here. You've got to do it now. You have to get us out of here. Listen to me. It's all a lie. There is no purge-free zone. They're killing everyone. You have to get us out of here. The Forever Purge. That's what they're calling themselves. They don't follow any rules. They don't listen to anyone. Even our so-called founding fathers. They don't care. They want it to be the purge. Everywhere. All the time, never ending. Dude, there's children. You have to get us out of here. You have to get us. There's no time. They're coming. You have to get us out of here before it's too late. Please.
Well, she went ahead and ruined the surprise for everybody. We don't actually have a purge-free zone out on the back lot. We're dropping you off in one of the most dangerous areas that we have. As our assistants open these gates, exit the vehicle in calm and orderly fashion. But this is the end of the line for you. Good luck out there, folks. God bless our founding fathers. Purge ever after.
She's that hurt.
They pop out. In the basement in the refrigerator.